Alright, this is Steve with Security Simple, and I want to make a video just exemplifying the features, the advanced features, and why our system's the best out there, and show you up close the system right on our listing. So that's the purpose of this video, and it'll go over everything that's most important about the system. So here's our Watchdog keypad. As you can tell, I'm gonna sit down, I think this will work better. And it's got fully function LED screen, of course, built-in 85 to 90 decibel siren. It's got a key guard, and then you open it up and it's got real nice lighted night vision touch-tone buttons there. Your numeric code here. The confirm button is used a lot in programming. Of course, the arm, bypass, panic or emergency, and the disarm buttons right on the panel. It's a highly advanced system. I've worked for several security companies, you know, the big ones, the major big ones, for many years before I started my own company, and this system's actually 2 or 3 features better than theirs. Also, the wireless systems, they don't have the LED display on the big boy companies, where ours does, which I'll get into. So there's the front. The antenna is normally not used unless we're going outside of say 250 to 300 feet from the house. So that's normally not used, but if you're protecting a pole barn or, you know, an outside building, you might need to extend that for that. The range is 250 feet from this keypad, restricted, and then 400 to 450 feet unrestricted. So we go in extreme distances, and no need for a repeater or anything like this at all. So very advanced on that. Here's the back of the panel, which I'm going to see if I can go ahead and zoom in on, possibly. It's got the Y mount. Take that out just a little bit. It's got the Y mount, which is right here, which is awesome. Very easy to install on the wall. And then once you open it up, you got these little green terminals come out. They're for hardwired sensors, because our system will support 32 wireless sensors in addition to 8 hardwired zones if you have hardwired sensors existing already. We don't sell hardwired sensors just because there's no demand for easy install on the wireless, but nonetheless, many of our customers had, you know, previous existing sensors that they hook up to. So these just pop out, and this is how you would integrate the hardwired sensors. Then you can see it says power here, siren, and line. We plug the live feed into line 1 here, and the siren, which I'll talk about now, is just in addition we wanted to do. Research and development says, and my experience, this is how you power it up with the white power cord. Sound is actually the best deterrent over even, you know, the police or anything. So what we focus on here at Security Simple is blast them out of the house, scare them, get attention that way is what we focus on. So the keypad has an 85 decibel siren built into it, which is okay. I'll show it to you. It's okay. It's loud, but not loud enough. So what I went ahead and did is we integrated what I call a booster siren, which is right here. The booster siren just simply plugs in to the back of the keypad. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out because I'm getting you guys wrong here. It just plugs in. There's a spot that says siren right there. It is a tight fit, but it'll go. And then you got this cord here as well. And it's got sticky tape right here, and then 2 mounting screw holes. So a lot of people mount it underneath. And then a lot of people cut this and even extend it to, you know, the downstairs or to another spot, so you have complete flexibility on it. But I'd like to show you how loud it is, so, and show you the difference. So make sure you can see that. Alright, I'm going to cover my ears because it's really loud. So, as you can tell, that's a boost. It's 140 decibels instead of just the 85 here. So, and since we're talking about sirens, we'll stay on that theme. We also have a new siren in. We call it the blaster siren. And so this is 140 decibel. This bad boy is 160 decibels. So it's we just got it in, and it's everything we hoped it would have been. So get that out for you. So as you can tell, the unit itself, sweep these over, is big. It's actually, go ahead and measure, about 8 inches by 5, 8 inches by 5. And while we're measuring, the keypad is 6 by just over 5, so 6 and 5. And this is compared to any other systems out there, the small keypad, which is what everybody wants, you know, not a big clunky thing. But anyway, the siren, the booster, or the blaster, excuse me, it comes with a power cord because it's got a strobe built into it, and it's so loud. Before I plug it in, I would like to show you the tamper feature. It's got a tamper switch here, so anyone tries to manipulate with it, it goes off. So, but let's go ahead and show you how loud it is. So what we'll do is we'll just set the tamper feature off. So you can tell that's along with this and this, you're gonna have almost 300 decibels in siren going off. So it's pretty crazy, but you know, it's not gonna hurt anybody or pets or anybody, but it's definitely gonna get someone out of the house. So that's what we focus on that. And again, this is the blaster, this is the booster siren. So we're real proud of that one. So as far as the sensors go and the functionality of the system, I'd like to get into that now. The system, I guess you can't really, if I tilted it maybe that way, might be better. Let me take the booster out to show the functionalities of the system. And possibly tilt it and zoom so you can see the keypad pretty well. Okay, it's not too bad. Just like that. Okay. Okay, so these are the door window sensors. They're awesome. They're actually smaller than the big boy sensors, the big companies out there that I've worked for. And all you do is you just take the back off of this. Usually I extend these terminals like so, just so it's sticks in there a little bit better. Then you just put the 23A battery in. The battery, a lot of people ask what it is. It's 23A. It's about half the size of a AAA battery, and they last, you know, 1 to 3 years depending on how big the family is. And you know, they're cheap. I get them on eBay for about 60 cents a piece in bulk, and but you can buy them for more monies at Best Buy or Radio Shack, whatever. But we also supply all of them. All the mounting materials, everything you would need is included in everything we do, so don't have to worry about that for a while. Yes, it does tell you if the battery's low. This light right here will stay red for 72 hours, and then the LED display will have a low battery light on it as well. So, but that's how you stick it on there, and then we got 2 mounting screws here, and then we give you adhesive or sticky tape, 2 mounting screws here, and make sure you see that. So